never. Yo, yo, yo. Don't look for that. Move forward. I never. Yo, yo, yo.
The People's Democratic Party (PDP) on Monday, August 24, 2020, began its tour of Edo South Senatorial District. As is typical of Governor Godwin Obaseki's respect for elders and the traditional institution, he led his deputy, Philip Shuaibu, and other leaders of the PDP to the palace of His Royal Highness, Edun Akenzua, the Enogie of Obazwa, to inform them of his intention to run for a second term in office.
Since you came into office almost 4 years ago now, we are particularly happy in Ovia North here that many people who have even said they want you to come back, no one of them has come to us to tell us what the governor has not done, what he should have done that he didn't do.
The campaign train of the PDP then headed to Ihele in Ovia North East local government area, where the indigents were on hand to receive them. Chairman of Edo State Campaign Council, Dan Obi, mounted the soapbox. He challenged the candidate of the APC, Osage Izeyamu, to tell the people his achievements when he served in government.
It is important for us to tell ourselves the truth. The governor worked with Adam Soshomole, and Adam Soshomole said a lot of beautiful things about it. Pastor Ezeyamu worked under Lucky Gbenedo. We've not heard anything positive by Lucky Gbenedo telling the no people why they should support Pastor Ezeyamu.
It was a harvest of deacon peas from the All Progressives Congress APC. As the All Progressives Congress youth leader, Mr. Matthew in Ovia North East and other members of the APC in the local government area decamped to the People's Democratic Party.
My name is Matthew Owen Ekibiobo, the APC youth leader of the North East. I want to follow my government. Obaseki Pepede. Obaseki Pepede. Oluku Pepede. Oluku Pepede. PDP. Market women here. Backriders here. Those who want the Obasanjo to come back for the second term, yeah!
I want to assure you, Your Excellency, that the Issue Award will give you 90% of the vote.
Get it, boyfriend. We no like to spend. Get it, boyfriend. You today can't get it, boyfriend. Oh my she has done. She see your bed. I'm a weapon. She has done.
A pensioner who retired during the tenure of Governor Adam Soshomole but owed over 12 months testified to the immense blessing the Godwin Obaseki-led administration has been to him.
I, Mr. Palestine, former Vice Chairman, APC Issue Award, do hereby say today, I have thrown my card away and I have decided to join camp with Obaseki. Because I'm a pensioner. When I retired, the short man was owing me 30 months. And today, I own a Lexus car.
because of pension arrears. The pension there, the pension card is there. And 4 plus 4. Obani. We pensioners are behind the governor.
Governor Obaseki and members of the PDP campaign team spent some time to inspect an ongoing road construction project at Ekosodi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Very good, sir. Very good, sir. We are grateful, sir. Forever grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. To the glory of God, the Father, the Son. Amen.
Today, I'm a very proud returnee for PDP.
The good people of Okoko Ward, we have seen the good work His Excellency is doing in Edo North. We have seen the good work His Excellency is doing in Edo Central. We have seen the good work His Excellency is doing in Edo South, and particularly in Okoko Ward. In the light of this, I hereby put the question: if there is support that Godwin Obaseki continue as governor of Edo State, 10 November 12, 2020, please say yes.
I want to use this opportunity to tell you that come September 19, we are going to pepper them. What do I say? What do I say? Everybody, where see the work where Governor Obaseki and Shaibu they do for Edo State? He said he don't go vote for them. Holy God! Holy God! We are together with 3,000 of our supporters.
Wednesday, August 26, was a continuation of the tour of Ovia Northeast local government. Before the arrival of the governor and the PDP campaign team, jubilant youths, men and women in Oduna, trooped out in various colorful attires with fanfare to celebrate the good works of Governor Obaseki in Edo State. It was a warm welcome for the governor and his campaign team. The senator representing Edo South, Senator Matthew Irogide, charged party members and supporters to mobilize the people on September 19 and vote massively for the PDP.
They say the angel you know is better than the devil you don't know. Our governor is angel. Our governor get clear mind. Our governor want to develop our Edo State. And he don't start, he don't change many things. All the things that he don't change, the only thing we will do is to support him again.
Speaking to the audience, Chairman of the Edo State PDP Campaign Council, Dan Obi, urged the people to put an end to godfatherism by voting for the PDP.
Today, we are here with the Tognadu governor, the wait-and-see governor, the governor that is working for us and for our future, the governor that has love for all the people of Edo State. He has put aside personal benefits for the greater glory of our state. For this, we are proud of him. He is here today to let you know that he is prepared and ready to move Edo forward.
Edo must move forward. Move forward. Move forward.
While addressing the people of Oduna Ward, Governor Obaseki promised to dualize the road leading to Oduna to open the community for more economic development.
Last year, when I awarded the contract for this Ekama road, the plan is say by now the road supposed to don't finish. But nobody know say COVID will come. Now COVID won't come, now make all the Yoruba people, when they be company, then go home. So for the last 6 months, work not continue there. Not because the money not there, now because the contractors had to come down because of COVID. So by the grace of God, now when government say they don't remove the ban on international flights, people feel they come back. We are hoping that by next month when they come, this dry season, this road, the Ekama road, we will carry them, reach Oduna Ward.
PDP. Follow who no road. I don't follow our governor. Governor Nogega say Obaseki today.
The wait when we wait, Governor Obaseki, not be make we call the talkie. We can celebrate his victory. Now celebration now we dey here. He has won.
That day, next month, everybody carry your PVC, press to the PDP.
From Oduna Ward, Governor Obaseki inspected the newly constructed Marine Police building at the border town between Ondo and Edo states.
The security investments which we have made in this town of Gile. If you can see, we've built a police post, a police station and accommodation for the Marine Police establishment here. You know that this is a very porous waterway that leads to Ondo State and the rest of the Niger Delta. So it's important that we secure this community against piracy, kidnappers. And in addition to the investments we've made for the Nigerian police in terms of building accommodation and a police station, we've also bought 4 gunboats and another 4 ancillary patrol boats. So we have 8 boats which the state government have invested in for the use of the Nigerian police to secure this access.
Move forward.
Addressing PDP members and supporters in Ogede Ward, Governor Obaseki promised to continue with his people-oriented programs.
I am so happy to be here. And I don't know how and they look now. Because about 7 years ago, this whole area be like village. Not be true? Today, see the number of people when not moving here. See the houses when they build.
The PDP campaign team also visited Utoka Ward, Iwoshodin Ward, Okada East and West wards. In all the wards visited, the governor of Edo State and the PDP received hundreds of decompees from the APC.
Now that we have a capable governor, a governor who knows when the children need help, Utoka need help, the whole of Edo need help, you can see the talk he has embarked on. He commissioned in every ward, he commissioned one project. Those are the assessment we have. Paying of workers, I'm a pensioner since 2002. Before the month I got my alert. God will bless you.
My name is Lucky Guma. The day where I hear say Obaseki don't come back to PDP, now that day we also declare say we want follow him, we want vote for him, we want put him into power.
Today, with my entourage and my executive members, I declare to PDP.
Sunday Ovia is my name, aka Akobisi. Before we are the APC, but the good work when our God they do for us, God will love us perfectly. God will bless you. We must go and join him and that APC. We are now going to PDP. Whatever the God want to do us, we don't Una know why I can't join PDP? Where I leave my party APC, you know why? Out of the 13 world chairmen, I'm the only chairman that say, wait till this one they do so. Now only person when he blind. Now you don't see what they do. God, you know that say Obaseki is a man we have to reckon with. And this road when they do for us, so see the creation of this world, we never even see tie road. That kind of person will not be follow our car. So today, I want to tell everybody that all the APC executive, the 20 APC executive, they are here with me. So today, we decamp from APC to PDP.
The journey by the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and Governor Godwin Obaseki to return for a second term in office as Governor of Edo State is daily gaining momentum, with the harvest of members of the All Progressives Congress, APC, and new entrants into PDP since the party began the word-to-word campaigns on August 3, 2020. After a successful completion of the tour to Ovia Northeast, the campaign team of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) on Thursday continued the tour of Edo South Senatorial District to canvass for votes and support for the party's standard bearer and the incumbent governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki. This time, the destination was Ovia Southwest local government area. The campaign team was at the palace of the Ilaure of Use, His Royal Highness Oluogbe II, to seek for royal blessings.
Myself, I know what you've done all over Edo State. But it's not now we have to narrate all. But to me, you are a good governor.
Governor Godwin Obaseki and his team proceeded to the word-to-word campaign of the local government area. In Use, the chairman of Edo State Governorship Campaign Council, Dan Obi, told the people that the forthcoming governorship election will put an end to godfatherism in the state, urging voters to ensure the re-election of the incumbent governor.
It is becoming very obvious that in the coming election, PDP will defeat APC. They are now resorting to intimidation. They are now resorting to violence. We say no to violence. We want to ensure that this coming election, we will put to rest the issue of Godfather.
Governor Obaseki promised the people of Use better facilities and improved infrastructure. He urged the people to come out on Saturday, September 19, and vote for the PDP. He also told them not to leave their polling units until their votes are counted, announced, and posted.
On September 19, Una will come out. Nobody will go farm that day. Nobody will go farm. Where all of them will go polling unit. When Una reach polling unit, take the form, look for PDP, the umbrella. Una go put in a hand for there. When Una vote, Una not leave there. If like here, then they look like here we vote. Una go stand for here, una go dey watch until they count una vote. When they don't count and finish, they go announce the result. They go put the paper for the school wall before una leave there. Make una not come out.
The PDP campaign team in Edo State also visited Igwobazwa and Umaza. In all the communities visited, the PDP received multi-campees from the APC.
Honorable Richard Omoru Yixman, former supervisory councillor of Kofi Ward. I have the copy because of the good development Godwin Obaseki is doing. What all my people with myself, we are the copy to take the PDP.
Now we dey do it for APC before. Now, what did they do for our governor for APC? We decided to declare to PDP. As I'm here now, we are here with more than 2,000 people declaring from APC to PDP. This is the other man that can do whatever we want. No more sharing of money. It will not be federalism. We are here to work for who? PDP.
Number one.
The People's Democratic Party PDP governorship campaigns in Edo State have been getting an encouraging boost. All along, it has been a harvest of APC party members, chieftains at the ward, local governments and state levels, and they are declaring their support for the re-election of the candidate of the People's Democratic Party come September 19.
Lights. Let me come not get road. Let me people they suffer like this. From now on, make sure say all of una not sit down. Look. Yes, una get the power. Una get the power to change something. Make una bring out una PVC. On September 19. Una bring them out. Una can't take our vote. All our votes, make una not live there. Make una watch them. Because they won't take our vote.
Friday, August 28, was the conclusion of the tour of Ovia Southwest Local Government Area. Governor Godwin Obaseki and the PDP campaign team visited Ora Ward in Ovia Southwest Local Government Area. Party leaders and supporters took time to praise the numerous ongoing and completed projects of Governor Godwin Obaseki in the local government area.
That 4 years, because we are making governor, that's why all the development we don't see for Edo State today, that's why everybody they happy. That's why everybody, everywhere with the supporter. See market women day, youth day, men day, leaders day, everybody day. Everywhere we don't go, that this governor, everybody they greet. Governor Obaseki, God bless you. Governor Obaseki, God bless you. See you as now plenty here. I never seen the kind of crowd for our award before. So we can't thank una for the one we don't do. And una go do again, say people come back una for another 4 years.
While addressing PDP supporters in Ora Ward, Governor Obaseki promised to complete work on the College of Agriculture in the area. He reminded the people of what his administration had done to assuage their sufferings.
This campaign, now how to move Edo forward. And by the grace of God, Edo must continue to move forward. In the last 4 years, we never moved forward.
The governor and his campaign team made their way to Iyase of Udo. His Royal Highness Patrick Igbenedun, where the standard bearer and his running mate Philip Schwaibu received royal blessings and prayers for victory at the polls. From there, they proceeded to the wards in Ofunama, Nikoroga, and Udo to canvass for votes. In Udo ward, Engineer Ikini told party supporters that Governor Obaseki is courageous and has been able to weather the storm with all the trouble the former national chairman of APC, Adams Oshomole, unleashed on him.
When Adams come, he said that God will. Now he get praise. Not be so he talk. He said another person are thief. Una want vote for thief? Una want vote for thief?
We don't like to spend it. She get it well. She get it well. Oh my God. She get that. She see your mother. I'm a she get that. Oh, I'm a better. See, just connect. I will first shout.